Hi, are you here for a Lyft? Oh, what's your name? What's your name?
Yeah, Kelly.
Kelly?
Yeah.
Okay.
We gotta go.
Alright, okay.
Okay. Yeah, let's hurry and get out of here before.
Can you confirm your destination with me, please?
Yeah, I'm going to where I put it. I'm going home. Am I going home?
Okay, well, can you tell me the directions just so I know you're the correct passenger?
Yeah, it's 53 West.
Okay, yeah, you're fine. You're fine.
Okay.
You're fine. Okay.
Yeah, we gotta go there.
You have your seatbelt on? Are you ready to go?
Yeah, we gotta. I'm telling you that the door greeter was on me. I don't know why it was on me, because like
The door greeter?
the door greeter at this grocery store. I was like just trying to leave, and he was like trying to get some double cash off me. You know?
You didn't steal anything, did you?
No.
Okay.
What we got here?
Oh, that's Play Octopus. Yeah, it's really fun actually. You
I can win some cash. Let's do this.
You basically play trivia games and you can win cash. It's pretty fun actually.
Get the most questions correct. Okay.
And I actually make up to $100 extra a month. So yeah, it's really awesome. I actually sometimes make even more than $100 a month.
Okay, and does that go through your credit card or?
No, it just goes straight to my bank.
Oh, who do you bank with?
Like, do you really need to know that? Or?
What's your social security?
You want my address too?
Yes, please.
I have a pool at my house.
Do you?
I do, yeah.
What else you got at your house? You got a flat screen TV?
I have
prized jewels?
I have a pull-out couch.
You got a diamond?
A diamond?
You got any diamonds?
Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Yeah, but anyways, Play Octopus. You can basically the more you play, the more I earn. Does that make sense?
The more I play, the more you earn?
Yeah, so if you want to support me, you can just play the games. And then you can also get a cash prize too if you win.
But shouldn't I get paid?
Well, yeah, if you win, you get $25. And they also have
for my actions.
There's also a $500 giveaway every day.
For me?
Yeah, for you. If you get depending on how well you played, you'll get tickets.
Got you.
Yeah, this is the new age. Isn't it pretty crazy?
Yeah, that is crazy. Oh my God, look over there. It's a bird.
Where?
It flew away.
Okay. Oh, we're already at your destination?
Oh, perfect.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
I'll just, is it okay if I just pull over right here?
Yep, this is perfect.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, you have a good one.
All right, you too. Rate me 5 stars if you can.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Thank you for being a 5-star passenger.
For sure.
All right, thanks. Whoa, wait, where's the tablet? Where'd the tablet go? I think she stole it.